entire scholarship for B.Sc and M.Sc students. Now, this scholarship is also known as SHE scholarship because scholarship for higher education. And the total number of scholarships per year is 10,000. And the most important criteria for this scholarship is the candidates who have passed 12th class in the year 2020. Those are only eligible for the applications. And these candidates want to pursue their career in the natural sciences, basic sciences, they can apply through this fellowship. Now, what is the scope of subjects means in which subjects we can apply? So first is physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, statistics, geology, astrophysics, astronomy, electronics, botany, zoology, biochemistry, anthropology, microbiology, geophysics, geochemistry, atmospheric science, and ocean sciences. Means after 12th class, if candidate want to pursue their career or his or him career in these subjects, no, so they can apply for this scheme. Now, what is eligibility? First eligibility that candidate should have 12th degree, which for second is that candidate should have first class in that. Third one, the candidate should have passed the 12th degree from the state or central recognized board. And next one, the candidate should have should be in the merit. And if the more than 10,000 applications received to the government will decide on the basis of merit, that is on the basis of top first percentage. Okay, then if you want to know more about this scheme, then you can visit to this website at www.onlineinspire.gov.in. Now, how to apply? So there is only online mode is there through which we can apply for this scheme. Okay, so we can visit here, that is www.online.inspire.gov.in. Now if you visit here, so here we can apply through online mode up to 31st December 2020. The applications are going to open from 1st November, that already opened, and till 31st December 2020. Okay, after application we have to take that print and we have to keep that print with us. Don't send that print to the DST or somewhere else. Now, what documents are required? Passport size photograph is required. Community and caste certificate if any SC, OBC, ST candidate is there. Eligibility note or advisory note if provided by the state, central government. Class 12th mark sheet, class 10th mark sheet, and age proof. Certificate specifying rank or award in JEE or JEE Advanced or NEET or KVPY or NTSE or any other exam. Endorsement form, certificate signed by the principal office of the college or director of the institute or registrar of the university, that is mandatory. So if you have all these documents and if you are eligible for this scheme, then please go and just apply and pursue your career. Thanks a lot.